Alright, we're back with the last two boxes, so we've got 8 autographs left. Let's see what we can get in 6760. Box number 11. If you don't hit in these last two boxes, you still got a chance in the free giveaway. Probably give away a couple of these Prizm autographs that came in this case. And I've got a few cards from previous breaks, select cases, absolute cases, that we may also toss in here. Usually give away anywhere from 4 to 6 cards for every break. Most of the times they're hits. I think every now and then we threw in some like short printed cards, like some tie-dye Prizms. I know back in the holiday giveaway we gave away some lots of like white Prizms and stuff, so we always try to give away something at least. Everybody who hopped in the break. Definitely big thanks to everybody who's hopped in any of the breaks tonight or Monday. So if you're in all breaks, you should probably ship out Tuesday morning. Monday evening and Tuesday morning I should be able to get everything shipped out. Now if you're just in Select or Prizm, your order will be on the way first thing Monday morning. You won't have to wait for Absolute or Victory Lane to break. Let's see what we can get here. We're not really going to worry about these base, that stack. Then you get your inserts like your Purple Flash, Biffle, Petty, Dylan Newman. Again, chunk of base. Jimmy Johnson. One of those red, blue. That's tie-dye. Boy, nice break for Jimmy. That's 23 of 24 G-Force. Jimmy Johnson, tie-dye. Bowman, Johnson, Blaney, Menard. On these team tandems, like always, if they're exactly the same and both drivers sell, like this is a base version, if there's two exactly the same, it'll go to each side. If one's base, one's Prizm, will roll for all those. So if it's the exact same card. But we just give one of each. Okay, we're coming up on our first autograph here. Kyle Busch, Purple Flash, another Cole Custer. What did we get, the red or the blue earlier? This is the base Cole Custer. Jimmy Johnson, Chase Elliott. We're going to get right back on our next one, which is another Eric Jones. So 2 Eric Jones hits in this case as well. Richard Petty, silver. This is Danica Patrick. That is not numbered. Dale Jr. and Jimmy Johnson. Second chunk of box 11. All base. There's Chase Elliott, Stargazing, just a Prizm. Kenny Wallace, 136 of 149. Kenny Wallace, scripted signatures. Oops. Truex, Fireworks, Hamlin. These are all base. Up to a Tony Stewart, Purple Flash. Cousin Carl, Blue. 98 of 99. Cousin Carl. William Byron, Kyle Busch. Base. Eric Almirola, Silver. Hannah Newhouse, Rookie. Red, White, and Blue, Rusty Wallace. Trevor Bain, Stenhouse Jr. Epic Swag. Explosion. Those are all base. There you go. Nice hit for Clint Boyer. 12 of 35. Clint Boyer. Blue. Scripted signatures. Clint Boyer, Blue. 12 of 35. Jimmy Johnson, Vortex. Kevin Harvick, Explosion. William Byron, Terry Labonte. Last chunk of 11 here. Ryan Newman, Purple Flash. Joey Logano, Kevin Harvick, Brad Keselowski. Dale Jarrett, Tony Stewart, Stargazing Red. 23 of 75 on that one. Danica Patrick, Bubba Wallace. It's all base. Explosion, Kurt Busch. Vortex, not serial, Tony Stewart. Bubba Wallace, Ryan Newman. Gonna have a green coming up here. Jimmy Johnson, Silver. Ryan Blaney, Vortex, green. 89 of 149. Ryan Blaney. Joey Logano, Danica Patrick will end box 11. So we have box 12 left. 28-48. Last one. Whole case. Let's see what we can get in the final box. Like to see one more big name, short print. Like a Dale Jr. or Kevin Harvick or... Oops, let me turn that stack around. Put that stack around. There we go. Let's say so far the Jimmy Johnson and the Danica Patrick. Ah, damn, those are backwards. Danica Patrick and Jimmy Johnson, the headliners. Oh, why are these? Am I opening them backwards? Cards are always way in this box. Yeah. Front cards go that way. Cards are going to be every which way in this last box. Maybe it's a hot box. I'm not understanding. The top cards are going one way. The rest are going the other way. Those are going that way. Those are going that way. Maybe it's a hot box. Can only hope. Alright, there it is. Box 12. I think I do see a gold down there. Right about there. So it's probably going to be in the third part here. Hopefully it's a gold auto. Let's see. 4 hits to go. See, for some reason, these are all upside down now. All those base. Oh boy. Chase Elliott, Purple Flash, Ty Dillon, Ryan Blaney, Kyle Larson. Guess we could probably just leave the base upside down. That's what we'll do. Eric Jones, Eric Almirola red, 75 of 75. Bubba Wallace, Tony Stewart. We're just going to leave the base here upside down, like that. Elliott Johnson, the King, Stewart. Ward Burton, silver. Dakota Armstrong, 7 of 50. Red for Dakota Armstrong. Right in the middle of the autograph. It's kind of like a little smear. Right below where his arm is. See it a little bit right there. Junior Hamlin. Those are base. Martin Truex Jr. Purple Flash. Denny Hamlin Vortex Green. 39 of 149. Jones Suarez Ryan Blaney. Chunk 2 of 12 here. Truex, Blaney, Danica, Chase. Oh God. Whew, about knocked that whole stack over. Boy, this box, I don't know what the hell. Kevin Harvick, Purple Flash, Truex Jr., Harvick, Austin Dillon, Bush, Bain, Petty, Hannah Newhouse, Victory Junction, Danica, Harvick, Boyer, DJ Silver, Ryan Blaney, Eric Jones, Kevin Harvick, Menard, Larson, Bush, Kyle Busch, Carl Edwards Jr., Casey Kane. Strikes in the last box. Cool shot of him there in the garage. 66 of 75. Casey Kane, scripted signatures. Nice hit for Casey there. Tony Silver, Bubba Wallace, Jimmy Johnson, Chase Elliott. Now Truex, Danica, Biffle, Newman. All base. Danica Patrick, Purple Flash. Another Kenny Wallace. Stuck to a different card. Oh, we're going to have 2 right here together. We have Cole Witt, blue, numbered 41 of 75 on that one. And then we have scripted signatures, Kenny Wallace, not serial numbered. So 2 hits in the same pack there. Ryan Newman, Chase Elliott, Growler rookie. Last chunk of the whole case here. We have... Oh my gosh. We got some base there. We got DJ. Oh, Ryan Newman with another gold. This is Fireworks. Gold. Ryan Newman. That is 8 of 10. Hell of a break for Ryan Newman. Blaney, Suarez, Kurt Busch. How many hits have we got in this? Here's Eric Jones, 17 of 25. Is this a hot box? 17 of 25, Eric Jones, scripted signatures red. Or was that just our 4th hit? Hell, I don't know. I'll have to rewatch the damn video. Richard Petty, William Byron, Mark Martin, Brad Keselowski. Texas Terry, Purple Flash. Danica, Chase, Larson, McMurray. Deegan, rookie. Johnson, Ambrose, Rusty. I'm glad every box wasn't like this. Harvick, Stewart, Johnson, Harvick. And the last cards, Truex, William Byron, blue, Stargazing. 82 of 99. Kevin Harvick, and the last card of the entire break, Fireworks, Silver Prizm, William Byron. I want to thank everybody for hopping in. Definitely some nice cards. Let me see if I can figure out. We got the Eric Jones, the Kenny Wallace, the Cole Witt, the Casey Kane, and was the Dakota Armstrong? Wasn't the Dakota Armstrong? So we got an extra hit in that last box. All right, everyone. That wraps up tonight. I will still do the hit recaps, randomizations, and free giveaways. And if you still want to grab spots, you can still get spots. Your shipping will combine for Mondays. We're going to break an 8-box case of this Victory Lane and a 14-box Absolute. All right, everybody. Later.